Severe thunderstorm watch. Issued at Wednesday 11:51 a.m. June 18, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description: conditions are favourable for the development of dangerous thunderstorms that may be capable of producing damaging wind gusts, damaging hail and heavy rain. Thunderstorms developing today along the foothills will move eastward through the day. Some of these thunderstorms could become severe. Remember, severe thunderstorms can also produce tornadoes. ###. Strong wind gusts can damage trees, buildings and overturn vehicles. Large hail can cause significant damage and injury. Severe thunderstorm watches are issued when conditions are favorable for the development of thunderstorms capable of producing damaging hail, wind or rain. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to abstorm@ec.gc.ca, call 1-800-239-0484, or post reports on X using #abstorm. Recommended action: when thunder roars, go indoors. Lightning kills and injures Canadians every year.